Are you ready for unparalleled quiet? The Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones redefine noise cancellation. These aren't just good, they offer industry-leading noise cancellation that truly silences the world around you, whether you're on a plane or in a busy office. It's an immersive audio experience perfect for focused work or pure listening pleasure, making them a must-have for serious audio enthusiasts. And the endurance? An incredible 30-hour battery life means your soundtrack won't quit before you do, easily lasting through long flights or multiple workdays. Forget constant charging. These premium headphones are built for uninterrupted enjoyment. What truly sets the XM5s apart is the seamless multi-point connection, letting you effortlessly switch between your phone and laptop without repairing. This smart technology makes multitasking a breeze, boosting productivity and convenience for anyone considering an upgrade. Compared to competitors, the XM5s combine superior sound quality with advanced smart features, delivering an all-encompassing package you won't find elsewhere. Ready to experience the best? Find the latest pricing and grab your Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones via the Amazon link in the description below. For anyone seeking the ultimate noise-canceling headphones and a top electronics pick for 2025, these are an absolute game changer.